everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Disha and I am so excited today because I finally invested into a camera. So I was torn between the Canon M50 and the Sony ZV-1, but after doing my research and finding out about some racist controversy with Sony, I just decided to go with Canon. While doing my research, I found out that the Canon M50 was a great vlogging camera, also a great camera for taking photos as well. So anyone that likes to take photos for social media or just taking photos in general, the Canon M50 is a great camera to use. I went to Best Buy for my Canon M50. It was between Best Buy, Amazon, or Canon, and I didn't really want it to be delivered and there being a chance of it getting ruined through the shipping and stuff like that. So I decided to go into the store and grab my Canon M50 myself. So without further ado, let's get to this unboxing. So here's the Canon M50 in its box. As you can see, this one says it is the EOS M50 kit. It comes with a lens, and this one retailed for $649. I also got 1-year warranty just in case anything happens to it, and Best Buy also offered a $25 Shutterfly card, so I'll be using that in the future. And let's just get to opening this box. Just as a disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a photographer. I am not tech savvy at all. I'm a beginner just like some of you, and I just wanted a good quality camera to take photos with and also to vlog with, being that I am now a small YouTuber. Hopefully it is easy for me to navigate this camera and use it, and I guess I'm just gonna have to read to learn about it some more. Here is the limited warranty, and it also comes with the user manual. I guess this is going to be my best friend when I'm learning to use this camera, but hopefully it's easy enough for someone like me to vlog and take pictures. So the first thing that I saw were these straps. I guess these are straps for me to hook onto the camera. I can be a klutz sometimes, so this is definitely something that I need. I'm going to find out how I can attach these. This here looks like the charger for the battery. And here is a battery. I'm hoping it comes with 2 batteries, one inside the camera and then an extra one, but we'll see. Here is the camera, nicely wrapped. And here is the lens, nicely wrapped as well in bubble wrap. Here's the Canon M50. As you can see, this is covered. See, there is the shutter button here. And then here you have the main dial, so this can be moved around. This here is the grip, so that the camera is easy to grip when you're using it to take photos or videos. This cover here is detachable, so you just twist and pull. And then here you have the lens mount where I'm going to attach the lens. Here is the power switch. I'm just gonna move this up so that it's on right now. And here you have the mode dial, so you can switch to whatever mode that you need. Here is the viewfinder. Pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of buttons here that I'm going to have to just figure out what they are for and figure out their functions. But this is the back side of the camera. And then this is my favorite part, the flip screen. I really like this because you can just click it into close, open it, and then turn it towards the front. And then you can just record and see what you're recording right here on the screen. And you can do it either way. So that's what I really loved about this camera. And I also love the fact that it came with a lens, and say in the future I need to upgrade my lens, I can just upgrade and attach it right on. So that's what I love. Let me try and figure out how I attach this. And you just twist it right in place. Remove the cover or the cap. So here you have where the battery and the SD card goes. And unfortunately, it just comes with 1 battery, but I guess you can purchase another battery online, Amazon, or go back to Best Buy or through Canon. So I doubt this is charged, but let me put it in and see what it does. Okay, so to put in the battery, you're just going to follow the little black arrow here and then turn the camera upside down, and you're just gonna feed it right into the slot. It fits right in there, and this little gray part here holds it into place. Cover it and snap it into place, just like that. And before you turn on your camera, you wanna make sure that all of the caps and covers are removed from the face, because you don't want the lens to protrude and break. So make sure these things are off before you turn on your camera. To get to my screen, I have to open it here. And I really like that this back piece here is protective. So my screen is not exposed when it's not in use. So all I have to do is open it. And let me turn it on right quick. I have to set the date and time zone, but this is a screen here, and I heard that it's touchscreen, and it is. So it is touchscreen, that's a plus, I love that. And say if I need to record myself, all I'm gonna do is rotate the screen to face me, and there it goes. So cool. And say if I am recording or taking pictures of something else or someone else, I'm just gonna open it again, flip it, and I'm gonna close it. This way I am able to take pictures and videos and visualize everything that I need to see. I love the rotating touchscreen. That's the main reason why I got this camera, and the detachable lens. I love that. So I am going to learn some more about this camera. I'm gonna read up on it, and I can't wait to start shooting my videos with this. I'm so excited. If you all have any questions about the Canon M50 that you would like to know about, I can always look into the manual and answer your questions. Just make sure you all put a comment or question in the comment section below. And I was told that this is a beginner-friendly camera. Other cameras that I looked into, they were about $1,000 and up. So this is an investment. $650 is still not cheap. If I wasn't doing videos, I don't know if I would have ever spent that much money on a camera. I usually use my Android phone to record my videos and take pictures, and the quality with the phone was just as good as using a camera. So don't go hurting your pockets just to get a camera. But if it's something that you will be using for a long period of time, it's an investment. So just look at it that way and put it on your Christmas gift list or your birthday gift list. And maybe some people could save up some money and buy it for you. But yeah, I'm super satisfied with my purchase so far. I can't wait to use it, like I said. Remember, you can have the most expensive camera, but if you don't know how to use it, the quality of your videos and photos are not gonna be that great. So just take the time out to learn your gadgets, learn how to use them, and see how they work best for you. Oh, and before I go, I wanted to show you guys how I'll be mounting my camera onto my little tripod that I got from Amazon. So I got this little tripod from Amazon. I don't think it was more than $15. This is what I usually use for my phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detach this mount. This is for the phone. It holds the phone in place. The screw here screws in to the bottom of the camera. So you're just gonna go ahead and screw your camera onto the tripod. And it's nice and secured, easy to use. And that's it. There's no need to buy no expensive tripod, but if you had a tripod before that you were using for your phone, just know that the bottom here attaches to probably most tripods. So before you go ahead and purchase another tripod, you should be able to use it for your camera and for your phone. So keep that in mind. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everyone for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.